The Polestar 4 made a striking debut at the 2024 Goodwood Festival of Speed, showcasing a unique design choice: the absence of a rear windscreen. Instead, the Swedish EV features a camera and a sweeping panoramic roof, enhancing both aerodynamics and style. The decision to remove the rear window isn't just a design quirk. It significantly improves the car's aerodynamics, contributing to an impressive range of up to 373 miles from its large 102 kilowatt-hour battery. At Goodwood, we saw the high-performance version in action, equipped with twin electric motors delivering a combined 544 PS, 400 kilowatts to all four wheels. This setup enables the Polestar 4 to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, demonstrating its speed and agility on the hill. Despite its practical SUV classification, the Polestar 4 showed notable performance in corners, handling with just the right amount of roll to tackle bends effectively. The run was otherwise smooth, with the only sound being the whisper of the car slicing through the air. Inside, the Polestar 4 is a model of simplicity and sustainability. Recycled materials are used throughout, complemented by two large infotainment screens that maintain a sharp and modern look. Available for configuration now, the Polestar 4 starts at £59,990 for the long-range rear-wheel drive model and £66,990 for the all-wheel drive performance variant, with first deliveries expected early next year.